from Lagos State and showcasing what the administration of Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu is doing to ensure that Lagosians are getting the best out of government. I am Jumoke Michael. See you again. Bye-bye.
Lọ́mọdé tàlàgbà gíla tó fẹ́ jẹ́. Ìlera Èkó. Lọ́kùnrin àti lóbìnrin. Lónílé àti àlejò. Bàbá lọ́jà àti ìyá lọ́jà.
Jara jara.
Standard jara.
Jara jara.
Standard jara.
Jara jara.
The Ilera Eko Standard Jara Health Insurance Scheme has telemedicine as part of its permanent component, annual medical screening, cardiology, ear, nose and throat, orthopedic treatments, among others. The launch of the initiative further confirmed the Lagos State Health Management Agency, LASHMA's long history of improving healthcare accessibility. According to the Lagos State Health Management Agency, LASHMA, this initiative highlights the ongoing efforts to improve healthcare accessibility. Governor Sanwo-Olu said the new initiative marked a significant milestone in health insurance for Lagos State and Nigeria, assuring Lagos residents that his administration will continue to introduce policies and reforms that make healthcare accessible and affordable. He urged residents to take good care of their health for their benefit, family, and for the good and prosperity of Lagos State.
Today marks a significant milestone in health insurance for Lagos State and Nigeria as LASHMA unveils this new initiative. I therefore, on your behalf, want to congratulate the chairman of LASHMA, Dr. Adebayo Adetewe, and the permanent secretary and general manager, Dr. Emmanuel Azamba, and of course the entire team of LASHMA for their dedication to ensuring residents have access to affordable quality health care and advancing our goal under our universal health coverage. I'm sure you remember that the focus of our administration, as outlined under our team's agendas plus, includes improving health outcomes. To this end, we have enrolled the public servants in the Ilera Eko scheme, with the government covering 75% of all their premiums. Starting in August 2024, all Lagos State pensioners will receive the free one-year Ilera Eko coverage, which will ensure their access to health care even while in retirement. We're doing all this to further our universal health coverage goal. And so this new insurance plan offers additional benefits and peace of mind by reducing the financial burden on medical bills. In this plan, we have heavily subsidized the health insurance premium to ensure that everyone can access health care. I call on the informal sector, which constitutes over 70% of the population in the state, to seize this opportunity and enroll on the Ilera Eko in order to reduce your out-of-pocket expenses and the huge payment of medical bill, which we all, know that is common around here. I invite the informal sector also to come on board and ensure that their employees are registered and enrolled on our Ilera Eko, as this will automatically reduce the expenses of the companies, especially for the payment of medical bills. Please let us continue to ask questions. Let us utilize initiatives like this as against you just self-medicating yourself and believing that once it's a headache, it can only be malaria. Please, it might not be malaria. Let us sort and seek, help, at the kind of outreach boot centers that we're putting out for you. Let me assure you that we'll continue to introduce policies and reforms that will make our healthcare not only accessible, but also affordable. You've listened to all the presentations here. They'll be very smart. They are not asking you to pay anything annually. They are not even asking you to even pay it monthly. Now we've gone even to weekly. Meaning that, I mean, you can pay this thing as if you are recharging your card. As if you are recharging or you are doing top-up on your card. You know, how much more can you get granular? You know, this is moving from, you know, wholesale banking to real retail. So now you can do it, you know, at the comfort and at no matter what your resources are, you should be able to participate and partake, you know, of it. And it's important for us to remember that health is wealth. Prevention, they say, is better than cure. Take good care of your health and for your own benefit, and that your family, and ultimately, when you take care of your body eventually will take care of you.
The Special Advisor to the Governor on Health, Mrs. Oluwakemi Ogunyemi, commended the Sanwo-Olu administration's commitment to the health initiatives, noting that Lagos State places value on the lives and health of its citizens.
The launch of the standard JARA health insurance plan symbolizes the government's commitment to bridge the gap in healthcare access, expand the benefits to be enjoyed by enrollees, and provide peace of mind to Lagos residents, including the underserved community members in the state. While I may not dwell into the intricate details of this innovative plan, I recognize its profound benefits to Lagos residents. The second laudable event today, the commissioning of Ilere-Eko virtual booths by the Governor of Lagos State, Mr. Babajide Sanwo-Olu, is also significant because it is designed with a singular vision to bring quality healthcare closer to the residents of our great state. Thank you. This resonates with us, especially at the primary healthcare level, because health has to get closer to the people. This innovation is a promise to our artisans, market men and women, transport unions, and other Lagos residents that their health is important to the government. Through this initiative, Lagos is taking decisive steps to improve the health of our residents, irrespective of their tribe, culture, or socio-economic status. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, there have been several testimonials on the impact that Ilere-Eko has made in the lives of the people of Lagos, in Lagos. Ilere-Eko enrollees have shown gratitude and are relieved to know that their health care is in safe hands. With this, Lagos State has consistently proven that she is indeed the first among equals. Thank you. This testimony is a proof of the positive change that the state is fostering in our society. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to the Governor of Lagos State, Mr. Babajide Sanwo-Olu. Your unwavering dedication, passion, and commitment to provide quality and affordable health care to the residents of Lagos State, particularly the less privileged, have been the driving force behind the success of initiatives like this. Under your visionary leadership, we have seen remarkable transformation in our healthcare system, ensuring that residents have seamless healthcare services. Under your guidance, Lagos State has continued to thrive in the facets of the economy. Your determination towards actualizing and realizing themes plus agenda is highly recognized. It is important for every one of us to remember that the health of the people is the wealth of the city. I therefore implore us to be steadfast in our commitments to ensuring that every Lagos resident, regardless of their socio-economic status, has access to quality healthcare and together to achieve universal health coverage. To the residents who are not yet on Ilere-Eko, I wish to state that this is an opportunity to register and enroll on the new health insurance plan, Ilere-Eko Standard JARA.
The Chairman Governing Council of LASHMA, Mr. Adebayo Adedewe, who said a total of 300 virtual booths are being proposed across the state to take care of the people at the grassroots, said the new initiative by LASHMA is to ensure that more residents have access to quality and affordable health care.
To register and enroll on the Ilere-Eko insurance program and details. Mr. Governor, sir, I wish to disclose that the acceptance of this initiative, among other among market men and women is very massive and encouraging. Therefore, the next phase of our development will be the expanding the installation of vehicles to motor parks and garages where we also have high across the states. It's a strong belief that today's launch and commission will no doubt contribute immensely to our goals on achieving the provision of quality healthcare, financial equity, and access to health services which are the landmarks of universal health coverage, as the agency is determined to install at least 300 virtual booths throughout the states. This innovative project will also significantly improve the overall health indices and well-being of the state, and will further set Lagos State as the #1 state that places importance on the health of well-being and well-being of its workforce and residents on the front border. Distinguished guests, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, I wish to state that good health is the beginning of a new life. We all need to always be very healthy. Therefore, I call on everyone, all stakeholders of the state, irrespective of your socio-economic status, to buy the health insurance plan for yourselves, your family members, your friends, drivers, cooks, mates, and the underserved in our society. Residents living in and around the vehicles, we encourage you to visit the virtual booths whenever they enter any medical challenge. The next level and the last mark is to have a radio station of our own so that we can reach out to more people on the need to enroll on the Ilera plan.
Sanwo-Olu also introduced 5 new Ilera Eco virtual booths in Yaba, K2 bus stop, Adamo Market, Sabo Market, and Ayetoro Market in Ekpe. According to the governor, these booths aim to bring healthcare services closer to the people, particularly market men and women, by providing first-line health services without the need for lengthy hospital visits.
It's a great pleasure to stand before you today for the official launch of the Ilera Eco Standard Jara Health Insurance Plan and the commissioning of 5 Ilera Eco virtual booths in the various communities. These booths are designed to bring healthcare closer to the people and to expand the reach of Lashma's health insurance scheme, the Ilera Eco, across the states. It is particularly useful for our hardworking market men and women who usually find it difficult to leave their stores or their shops, to leave behind their wares or to take, a long trip to our various hospitals or our health or our primary health facilities, even when they're sick. They will now have this first-line health service in different informal businesses and clusters around. They will now have this next to them. They will have it right, at where they're working and a lot more accessible, to them. I want to commend and thank our chairmen in our various local government and LCDA, where these booths are situated, and their supervisors for health, for their cooperation and support and ensuring the safe and proper installation of these booths. I urge you to protect and maintain these facilities for the use of the community. I also want to call on other LGAs and LCD to support Lashma by facilitating the installation of more V-booths in these areas.
Governor Sanwo-Olu announced that he signed an executive order to reinforce the new health initiatives, urging residents to embrace the Lagos State Health Scheme.
I just signed an executive order that will also further strengthen the initiative that we have here. The executive order will be published, I think, officially by tomorrow, and it will be circulated, where we're expecting all residents, to go on one plan or the other, and we will be working assiduously to ensure that this takes effect immediately. Thank you, because that's the only way we can solve these are common problems. That's the only way. It's only when we get not only the informal sector, everybody also on the private sector, and we as government, working collaboratively and understanding that, it's like economic cost.
The new Ilera-Eko Standard Jara Health Insurance Plan has been heavily subsidized, and the health insurance is at premium to ensure that everyone can access health care. Also, the formal sector have been invited to come on board and ensure that their employees are registered and enrolled on Ilera-Eko, as this will automatically reduce the expenses of the companies. Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu of Lagos State attended the passing out parade and closing ceremony of 2024 Batch B Stream 1 of core members at the NYSC Orientation Camp in Yanopaja, Lagos on Tuesday, 16th July 2024. The governor was dressed in the NYSC outfit at the occasion. At the event, Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu announced a cash gift of 100,000 naira to each National Youth Service Corps member leaving the state's orientation camp.
I want to assure you that Lagos will receive you well. Lagos will prepare you for that future. Lagos will give you that enablement that you require for you to succeed going forward. I want to say to you that Lagos no dey carry last. The 2,888 are not the only Lagos core members. In total, for this batch, we have 4,254. And so with all sense of responsibility, and because you've been very hardworking, each and every one of you will go home with 100,000 naira. The monies will be available into your account by next week, and your directors will credit your account. Don't worry. This is how we do it in Lagos. It's just the beginning. The staff of the Lagos State NYSC Command.
Core members, we are. Core members.
Core members.
Thank you. Thank you.
And all of the, so that they don't touch your 100,000. They won't touch it. So we're going to give NYSC and all of the support staff, all of the various agencies that have helped them, will make available 100 million naira for them. They will determine how they distribute their own. We will ensure that before the end of our administration, that permanent site will be available for the future coming NYSC core members. And a unique sense of patriotism, which I believe are part of the things that I've imbibed, and you have all imbibed here in the last 3 weeks. As you leave this camp, remember that the road ahead is illuminated with possibilities. The road ahead, too, could be very tough, could be very daunting, and very challenging. But you have been you've been equipped with new skills. You've been equipped with new perspective to life. And therefore, the determination to create a positive impact has been left with you. The experiences you have gained during these past 3 weeks, we imagine and we believe has prepared you to embrace the challenges and the opportunities that lies ahead. And I can tell you, in Lagos, there are several opportunities. There are boundless opportunities that lie ahead of you. I want to use this opportunity as well to thank and to commend everybody that has been part of your journey.
The NYSC coordinator in Lagos State, Yetunde Baderiwa, said that NYSC, as a contributor towards the economic stability of Lagos State, will deploy core members to every sector of the state.
Gentlemen corps members, the efforts of the Lagos State government in ensuring the goals and objectives of the national service are realized in the states they are immense. Therefore, let this serve as a motivation to others to serve the nation diligently, bearing in mind the words of the oath of allegiance which admitted you into the service for the fatherland. As we do not have any other place to call our own, we must strive to make Nigeria a better place to be. Distinguished guests, allow me to flex, to appreciate the Executive Governor of Lagos State for the recent donation of a 32-seater Hyundai bus for the use of the scheme in Lagos State. If you look behind you, you will see a decorated tear rubber bus donated for the use of corps members in Lagos State. My dear corps members, let me inform you that at the end of today's ceremony, you will be issued your posting letters to various places of primary assignment in the state. I urge you to take your posting in good faith and ensure that you settle down to serve your fatherland with dedication, patriotism, diligence, and ensure you obey the rules and regulations of the scheme. As you know, erring corps members will be penalized in line with the NYSC bylaws.
The corps members comprised of 1,370 males and 2,907 females. Governor Sanwo-Olu promised to give automatic employment to 100 corps members who would be outstanding in their national service.